Okay, go. Go.
Dila nasa kilid.
Kailang. Kunin ko na lang yung sa Google naman. Listen kayo maglingi.
Wala pa. Edmund.
He's dying!
Hindi to abot. Yeah.
Somebody put him out of his misery.
Sabon.
Kailang. Ayan, okay. Lali ko. Lingi ko. Itong mahaba-haba ang ko. Any demon.
As I
cross the
unsheath
demon
my
na lang.
sword, you will die by my hands.
Ay, pwede ka man i-take ang book pala, tama. Yan na.
Asa na mag-off ka?
Lot, may altar ganito dito yung bed.
Oh, it's too early to die. Can you stop?
Kula pala ako kay altar, no?
Ang altar. Wala tayong altar.
Wag daw na altar na may blood na. Okay. Okay. Ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ito na lang.
Gago ritual na
Ad ligandum eos pariter eos korame. I now summon the demon of Sleepy Tato. With the sacrifice of a human sheep.
Do I go in na?
Slay the sheep!
I think, do I just hit him?
You hit it, go.
I can't hit him. Oh,
Yay!
you see.
Summoning complete! Summoning complete!
Place back. How do you place it back? Summoning complete.
Summoning
Natawag
complete.
ko ba? Sleepy Tato walk into the firewall fighting natin.
Mga addict.
Yung maglabas na to.
Ay!
Belzebub sa Fair! Let us confide to our brethren. Amon, how are you doing?
Mga white na yan sila. Ay, mas dagko pa dyan ta.
Ay, mas di ka may data dapat. Citizens of Hell!